I don't know.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel Blush with Bloom. This is Lekha. So in this video I am going to share how to make your eyes look bigger with some simple tips and tricks. All eye shapes are beautiful, don't get me wrong. This video is all about how to make your eyes appear large, awake and open up. I hope these simple tips and tricks help your eyes to stand out and look bigger. And yes, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Share this video with your friends and family. And now without further ado, let's get started. First tip is always shape your eyebrows. You can use any tweezer to remove any extra hair. I have already done it and now I am using this Swiss Beauty eyebrow powder for my eyebrows. And now you can clearly see the difference. Second tip is to use concealer. Using concealer will not make your eyes look bigger, but at least it will cover dark circle and puffiness, so don't skip this step. And now I am using this concealer and I am applying it over here and here. Like this. I am blending this concealer in upward direction. And I am blending this as well to cover my remaining dark circle. And I am using Lekha concealer on my eyelid. Tip number 3 is to apply neutral or light eyeshadow. It will enhance your eye shape. And I am using this light shade. And now I am taking this brown shade and I am applying it on my outer V. And now I am blending this toward my crease. You can see it will enhance your eyes. Tip number 4 is to highlight your inner corner and brow bone. Now you can clearly see it will make your eyes look more wide and awake. This step makes a lot of difference. Just use any kajal or liner and apply it on your upper waterline. This gives the appearance of fuller lashes and helps to open up the eyes. Next tip is Nude Effect. So I am using this white kajal. see it will instantly open up the eyes. Guys, this trick worked for me. So what I am going to do is I am taking this brown shade and I am drawing a line near my lashes. And for lower lash line, I am applying the same brown shade on my outer corner. And I am smudging it a little bit. This trick will make a lot of difference to your eyes. Last tip is to apply mascara. Just apply 2 or 3 coats for fuller lashes. Guys, these were some simple tips to make your eyes look wide and awake. You can use single or multiple tip, whatever suits you. And yes, like this video, comment down below. My Instagram handle is given below. You can follow me there for more updates. I will see you in the next video.